Hi, my name is Patrick Jamison, and in this video we're going to assemble the main frame and prep it for installation. Before assembly, you need to remove your track inserts off the main frame track. We must flip around our track and insert our anchor plates. We're going to be inserting our anchor plates into these channels underneath your fastener holes. Here's our anchor plates, and they're going to be slid on to the bottom of your mainframe track. Here's our anchor plates inserted into the track of the mainframe. Here's one of the jambs. You can tell it's the top of the jamb because it's evenly notched out across. Here's the bottom of the jamb. You can tell it's the bottom because it is not evenly notched out. This piece here will face the exterior of the door. To begin, we must apply our appropriate sealant around the perimeter of the jamb before assembling the jamb to the head. I am hand tightening the assembly screws. Applying the sealant to the jamb prior to assembling the track is critical. Now we are assembling the jamb to the track. So to recap, in this video we assembled our frame and now it's ready to be installed into the masonry opening.